Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh, Today I'm going to discuss about nested if conditions. So we'll start with introduction to nested if conditions. Nested if conditions are a programming technique that allows you to check multiple conditions within a single if statement. This can be useful for creating more complex and conditional logic in your code. So these are some basic syntax of nested if conditions. This contains basic syntax, expanded syntax, combining conditions. So I hope you have seen the syntaxes. So let me go to advantages. Advantages of nested if conditions. Increased flexibility. Nested if conditions allow you to create more complex and decisions making logic in your code. Improved readability. Properly intended and structured nested if conditions can make your code more readable and easier to understand. Reduce duplication. Nested if conditions can help you avoid duplicating code and keep your code base more dry. Enhanced error handling. Nested if conditions can be used to handle multiple error cases effectively. Disadvantages of nested if conditions. Increased complexity. Nested if conditions can make your code more complex and harder to maintain, especially if logic becomes too deeply nested. Reduced readability. Poorly structured or excessively nested if conditions can make your code difficult to read and understand. Performance impact. Deeply nested if conditions can have a negative impact on the performance of your code as the computer has to evaluate each condition. Potential for bugs. Nested if conditions increase the risk of introducing bugs and error in your code, especially if the logic becomes too complex. When to use nested if conditions? Complex decisions. Nested if conditions are useful when you need to make a series of decisions based on multiple conditions. Error handling. Nested if conditions can be used to handle different types of error or exceptional cases in your code. Conditional logic. Nested if conditions are appropriate when you need to implement more sophisticated condition logic in your program. So here are some real-time examples of nested if conditions. Nested if conditions with logical operators and operators or operators not operators. So we can see some examples. So I hope you have seen the examples. Nested if conditions with indentation, proper and improper. So please do check those examples given below. I hope you have seen the examples. Nested if conditions with return statements. These are also three return statements such as early return, nested returns, and return in blocks. And I hope you have seen these examples too. So let me go to the conclusions. Nested if conditions are powerful tool in Python programming, allowing you to create more complex and nuanced decision making logic by understanding their syntax, advantages, and best practices. You can write more flexible, readable, and efficient code. So I hope you like the video. If you don't even like the video, please do like to the video and do subscribe to my channel. We'll hope for 10 million likes on this video. If this video got 10 million views, so 10 million likes, I'll see you in the next video.